Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my shop. Welcome to my channel. My name's Keith and I'm your host. Come on in. Let's see what our next video is all about. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Uni-Boat. I've been working on this invention for a while now, and I think I'm finally got it all tuned up here. I'm getting ready to mount the seat post in here, and I'm kind of adjusting it for different leg lengths so that everybody will be very, very comfortable on this. Now this is going to be a great way to continue your boating experiences without worrying about the cost of fuel. There's no need for any kind of fossil fuels to run this thing, and you can get up on plane with, I'm a little older now, so it's definitely going to be a little cardio effort. Now this is like a unicycle, and I call this the Uni-Boat. And you know, when I was learning to ride the unicycle, I used to kind of get up on it and I'd hold myself steady on the side of my dad's GMC truck. So, you know, I'm anticipating there's probably going to be a little bit of holding on the side of the dock or a skiff or something sticking in the water there to help you get steady on this thing to start off with. But the sleek design, this trim tab on the back is going to keep you going smooth and steady. You're going to get up on plane and the wind's going to be going back in your hair, and your Jimmy Buffett shirt's going to be like flying in the breeze there, and you're going to be just living the dream without any expense for fuel.